Welcome to a new aviation compilation, and get ready for some of the most jaw-dropping aviation moments ever caught on camera. From low-flying military jets and emergency landings to crosswind chaos and rare cockpit views. Look at this! C-17 Globemaster flying low through a city. This 727 used every last inch of the runway to take off. This BE-200 flew too close to the boat when refilling water to fight a fire in Turkey. Look at this soldier laying down below a landing military plane. Look at this bird strike in the engine of the Antonov airplane after landing. This helicopter flies very low above a car on a highway. You can hear the joy of the passengers inside the car. This Airlander exploded just above the ground. Look at this RC plane completely destroying itself shortly after takeoff. This plane is landing nose down to practice for special missions. Look at the speed of this airplane filmed from a hot air balloon. This skilled pilot flies his plane upside down really close to the ground. This fighter jet pilot skillfully avoids a flock of birds. This is how close planes fly at the Skiathos airport in Greece. This plane's cargo door opened mid-flight, so it had to make an emergency landing.
Uy, maricas, sí, la puerta está abierta.
Have you ever seen a F-35 taking off using a ramp? This is how planes land during crosswinds. We often see cars cut off each other, but have you ever seen planes do that? This emergency slide was accidentally deployed. Look at how fast it happens. This Antonov airplane is transporting a NASA space shuttle to the launch site.
We'll let him go forward a little bit on us. We're not going to hit nothing.
Mr. 9-5 Heavy, contact Mission 1.
After 9-5 Heavy and flight switch in Mission 1. Mission 1, back to Mission 1. 32-375.
President Air 476, you can move up and hold short. Over.
Look at this Beluga XL pass at RIAT 2022. This airplane makes an emergency landing at Wellington Airport.
Whoa! Holy cow! Smoking! Oh my goodness! Whoa! It's crazy! Wow! It's certainly changed everything, isn't it?
This airplane makes a hard touch and then goes around at Madeira Airport. Look at these people standing right behind a passenger plane taking off from Skiathos Airport, Greece. The crosswind at Skiathos Airport makes landing very difficult for this Boeing 737. This is a Boeing 777 dumping fuel over New Jersey.